using credit cards the right way can be one of the smartest moves you make for your personal finances. What most people don't realize is that credit cards are loaded with benefits, perks, and rewards that can save you a ton of money if you know how to use them right. Throughout this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of smart credit card use, unlocking savings you never knew existed. One of the biggest mistakes people make is paying for the privilege of using a credit card. Think about it. Why pay an annual fee when there are tons of great cards out there that don't charge you a dime? These no annual fee cards often come with the same great benefits as their pricey counterparts: cashback, travel rewards, you name it. So why throw away your hard-earned money on an annual fee when you don't have to? Always start your search for a new credit card by looking at those no annual fee options first. You might be surprised by just how much value you can get without spending a penny in fees. Remember, every dollar you save on fees is a dollar that can go towards something else, like investing, paying off debt, or treating yourself to something nice. It's all about making your money work harder for you. Don't let credit card companies trick you into thinking that a fancy annual fee means a better card. Sometimes the best things in life are free, and that definitely applies to credit cards. So do your research, compare your options, and grab yourself a no annual fee card that fits your spending habits and helps you reach your financial goals. Now, this is where things start to get really interesting. Credit card companies are constantly competing for your business, and one of the ways they do that is by offering juicy sign-up bonuses. We're talking hundreds of dollars worth of cashback, points, or miles that you can earn just by meeting a minimum spending requirement within the first few months of opening your account. This is essentially free money, people. Who doesn't love free money? But here's the key. Don't just jump at the first big bonus you see. Take some time to compare different offers and find one that aligns with your spending habits and goals. Are you a frequent traveler? Look for a card with a big travel bonus that can get you free flights or hotel stays. Do you prefer cash back? There are tons of cards that will give you a hefty chunk of change just for using your card for everyday purchases. The key here is to be strategic. Don't spend money you wouldn't normally spend just to chase a bonus. Instead, use these sign-up bonuses to your advantage by making purchases you were already planning to make and reaping the rewards. Just remember to read the fine print and make sure you understand the terms and conditions of the bonus before you apply. And always, always, always pay your balance in full every month to avoid interest charges. That way, you can enjoy those sweet, sweet sign-up bonuses without racking up any debt. This is probably the most important rule when it comes to using credit cards responsibly. Credit card interest rates can be incredibly high, and if you're not careful, they can quickly spiral out of control. The absolute best way to avoid interest charges is to pay your credit card balance in full every single month. This might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people fall into the trap of carrying a balance and racking up interest charges. Think of it this way. Using a credit card and paying it off in full is like getting a free short-term loan. You're essentially borrowing money from the credit card company for a month, using it to make purchases, and then paying it back before any interest accrues. It's a brilliant way to manage your cash flow and avoid unnecessary expenses. Remember, credit cards are a tool, and like any tool, they can be used for good or for bad. If you use them responsibly by paying your balance in full every month, they can be an incredible asset to your financial well-being. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects of credit cards: rewards. Whether it's cashback, travel points, or other perks, credit card rewards can add up quickly if you know how to play your cards right. The key to maximizing your rewards is to choose cards that offer the best returns on the categories you spend the most money on. Do you spend a lot on groceries? Look for a card that offers bonus rewards on grocery purchases. Are you a frequent traveler? Find a card that gives you extra points or miles for travel-related expenses. There are tons of different reward programs out there, so take some time to research and compare your options. Don't just settle for the first card you come across. Find one that aligns with your spending habits and helps you earn the most rewards possible. Once you've found the perfect card, use it for all of your eligible purchases to rack up those rewards. And don't forget to redeem your rewards regularly. There's no point in hoarding points or miles if you're not going to use them. Treat yourself to something nice, book that dream vacation, or simply cash in your rewards for some extra spending money. Remember, those rewards are yours to enjoy, so make the most of them. This might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many people still use cash or debit cards for everyday purchases. Here's the thing. Every time you swipe your credit card, you're earning rewards. Every coffee, every grocery run, every tank of gas is an opportunity to earn points, miles, or cash back. Why leave those rewards on the table? Of course, this only applies if you're using your credit card responsibly by paying your balance in full every month. If you're carrying a balance and racking up interest charges, those rewards are quickly negated. But if you're committed to paying your balance in full, using your credit card for all purchases is a fantastic way to maximize your rewards and get the most out of your spending. Plus, using a credit card offers additional benefits that you don't get with cash or debit cards, such as fraud protection, purchase protection, and extended warranties. So not only are you earning rewards, but you're also getting extra peace of mind and financial security. Now, for those of you who are really serious about maximizing your rewards and savings, using multiple credit cards can be a game changer. The idea here is to have a few different cards, each with its own unique set of benefits and rewards, and to use them strategically for different types of purchases. For example, you might have one card that offers great rewards on groceries and another that gives you bonus points for travel expenses. By using the right card for the right purchase, you can supercharge your rewards earnings and get the most out of your spending. Of course, managing multiple credit cards requires discipline and organization. You need to keep track of due dates, minimum payments, and reward balances for each card. But if you're willing to put in the effort, the payoff can be significant. Just remember to choose cards that align with your spending habits and goals, and always pay your balances in full every month to avoid interest charges. Here's a lesser-known credit card hack that can make a big difference: timing your applications strategically. Credit card companies often offer promotional periods with increased sign-up bonuses or limited-time benefits. By timing your applications to coincide with these promotional periods, you can maximize your rewards and get the most out of your new cards. For example, many credit card companies offer increased sign-up bonuses during the holiday season or back-to-school season. By applying for a new card during these times, you can potentially earn a much larger bonus than you would at other times of the year. Another factor to consider is your credit score. Credit card companies are more likely to approve your application if you have a good credit score. So if you've been working on improving your credit, it might be worth waiting to apply for a new card until your score is in a good place. By timing your application strategically and taking advantage of promotional periods, you can boost your rewards earnings and give your finances a nice little boost. Now, this hack is for those of you who might be carrying a balance on an existing credit card and are struggling with high interest charges. Many credit card companies offer balance transfer offers that allow you to transfer your existing debt to a new card with a lower interest rate. This can be a great way to save money on interest charges and pay off your debt faster. Balance transfer offers typically come with a promotional period of 0% interest for a certain amount of time, usually 12 to 18 months. This means that you won't accrue any interest charges on your transferred balance during that promotional period, giving you a chance to make some serious headway in paying off your debt. However, it's important to read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions of the balance transfer offer before you apply. Some offers may come with balance transfer fees, and the interest rate may increase significantly after the promotional period ends. So make sure you have a plan in place to pay off your balance before the promotional period expires to avoid getting hit with high interest charges. This might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many people neglect to review their credit card statements regularly. It's crucial to check your statements carefully each month to ensure that all transactions are accurate and that there are no fraudulent charges. Mistakes can happen, and fraudulent charges are unfortunately becoming more common. By reviewing your statements regularly, you can catch any errors or unauthorized charges early on and prevent them from snowballing into bigger problems. Take a few minutes each month to go through your statement line by line. Make sure you recognize every transaction and check for any discrepancies in amounts or merchant names. If you spot anything suspicious, contact your credit card company immediately to report it. By being vigilant and reviewing your statements regularly, you can protect yourself from fraud, avoid unnecessary expenses, and keep your credit card accounts in good standing. Here's a bonus tip. Don't forget about the added perks that come with many credit cards. Credit card companies often offer a range of benefits to entice new customers and keep existing ones happy. These perks can include things like price protection, extended warranties, travel insurance, rental car insurance, and more. These perks can save you money and provide valuable peace of mind, so it's worth taking advantage of them whenever possible. For example, if you use your credit card to purchase an item and then find it for a lower price elsewhere within a certain time frame, price protection might reimburse you for the difference. Similarly, extended warranties can save you money on repairs or replacements if a product you purchased with your credit card malfunctions after the manufacturer's warranty expires. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the perks offered by your credit cards and make a note of them. You never know when they might come in handy. We've covered a lot of ground today, from choosing the right cards to maximizing rewards and leveraging balance transfer offers. Remember, credit cards can be a powerful tool for saving money and building a strong financial foundation if used responsibly. The key takeaway is to be mindful of your spending, pay your balances in full every month, and take advantage of the many benefits and perks that credit cards offer. Start implementing these credit card hacks today and watch your savings grow. Every little bit counts, and over time, these small changes can make a big difference in your financial well-being. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and tricks to help you achieve your financial goals.